What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I did a video and maybe I'll put a link at the top. I keep on saying I'm gonna do it, but I actually don't. But I did a video a while ago kind of discussing my like top 5 phones that I was looking forward to this year. And while this ain't exactly the one I was looking forward to, it's pretty close. This is the one that we were getting rumors and specs about early on. They did, as far as like Sony, they'd have a few other Xperia phones that they're releasing this year. This being one of them. This is the 10 Plus. They also released a 10, Sony Xperia 10, and the main flagship that they're releasing for the year is Sony Xperia 1. So hopefully I can get my hands on that one, but I don't know. That's the big boy. That thing costs about over $1,000 probably, but anyway, man, this one here, not too bad. It is more of a mid-ranger device. So retail, I believe, on the website was about 430 bucks. Let me double check that. On Amazon, you can purchase this one for approximately 430 bucks. So I'll post a link in the description for that as well. But as far as specs go, let's see what we got here. This features a 21:9 wide display, 6.5 inches, full HD. Like I said, 21:9 recording. A movie recording with a 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual camera setup, 2x optical zoom. Also features high resolution audio with DSEE, HX, and LDAC. Honestly, I don't even know what none of that means, but it sounds like you're gonna get pretty good sound quality whenever you're using headphones or something. As far as the other specs, memory and storage, we're looking at 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of onboard storage. This is dual, what is this? Yeah, it's a dual SIM, nano SIM. Features a micro SD card slot, up to 512 gigabytes. Operating system, we're on Android 9, Android Pie. Like I said, this is more of a mid-ranger device, so we're talking about Qualcomm 636 chips. Anyway, so as far as battery, we're looking at 3,000 milliamp hour battery. It does feature Corning Gorilla Glass 5. I think we're up to 6 currently, like on the S10. But yeah, so mainly my reason for even like thinking about getting this one or any of these new Sony phones is, for one, I have been kind of feeling Sony for a while. Just a little bit different when it comes to what they're doing. I just like what they're doing. I don't know why. I can't really put my finger on it. This is actually my first Sony device in a long time, probably since like the first Xperia. But the 21:9 aspect ratios really was kind of like weird to me, so we'll see how that goes. But let's go ahead and get up into this boy. Let's see here. Packaging, you know, I don't know. As far as Sony goes, it seems like their unboxing experience isn't the greatest, but I'll see what it's like on we'll see what it's like hopefully on the bigger flagships. But let's see here. Here's the joint. Now, off the bat, this joint is long. It's long. it reminds me of like, I don't know if like when you was a kid, anybody used to have like the like the old cordless phones they used to hang on the wall. That just kind of reminds me of that. It's like a long joint, but yeah. So kind of candy bar-ish. Looks like a Hershey bar. But yeah, got your headphone jack at the top. Looks like a couple of mics. Dual camera setup in the back, flash at the top. It's just like I'm not sure if this is like aluminum or anything or plastic. It's kind of cool, you know, to see something like this after just seeing nothing but glass backs. But what we got here? Oh, okay. So you don't need like a SIM ejection tool to pull out your SIM card and SD card. Just pull it out and slide that back in. That's cool, I guess. Got your speaker grills on the bottom. I think one of these is probably gonna be a speaker grill. The other one is gonna be like a mic. Type-C connector at the bottom. Flash here, I mentioned that. And did not have like a protective case over the glass. That's cool though. But let's see what else we got in the box. Got your charging brick, instructions, and USB cable. But let's go ahead and power this joint on. Put it on the box for now. Oh yeah, looks like we got a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I kind of like those, so let's see, is this the volume? Okay. So there's your power button, volume button down there at the bottom. It's kind of a short volume rocker if you look at it. We'll see how that works out, but as it's powering on, just kind of checking out the display. It's different, like in terms of the length, like just, yeah. Hey, look at that. It is nice to hold though, but let's see here. Let's go ahead, give me a second. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna set everything up here and then we'll dive in a little bit deeper. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back with it. So, did a quick, you know, setup. I didn't do anything major. I didn't put my SIM or nothing in there. But just off the bat, just kind of playing around with it. I definitely do like the phone. You know, there's definitely some things to not like about it, and partly because when you're coming from an S10 or you're coming from any other phone that may be like better, it's hard to actually like gauge and give like a true opinion of something like this. So like I can be honest, like the display ain't as good, as great, but this is a really good display. Like let's see, let's go here to the settings real quick. It actually has a number of let me see, color options. So it comes standard in this mode, three different modes. You have no image enhancement, standard mode, image quality enhancer for photos and videos, and super vivid mode maximizes colors and viewing photos, giving you surreal, vibrant, super vivid images. So this is what I'm probably gonna stick with. Colors look really good. There's different color gamuts as far as like being able to see like a lot of red and just a lot of all the colors pop like really well when you have that mode on. So let's see here, let me put the super vivid mode on, and like you can see here, reds are like super red. I don't know if you can see off the camera or whatever, but I'm looking at it and it's like intense. I'll just leave it here or whatever. But like I said, there's definitely things to not like when you're directly comparing it to another phone like that. But on the other hand, there's definitely things too, like, you know, you got a huge display, 21 by 9, 6.5 inch display, very nice to hold in the hand. It is really long, but it ain't terrible, ain't the worst thing in the world. Just taking a few pictures. Camera isn't bad, but like I said, when you're comparing it to S10 quality, iPhone quality, or whatever, it's hard to like really know what you're working with. So let me wipe this joint down. But let's see. You know, dual camera setup. Let's go ahead and snap some joints. Takes a little bit to process, I noticed, but that's no problem. You know, honestly, I know a lot of people do some of these quick camera tests and stuff like that, and they go, and realistically, you're probably not gonna want to take pictures like that anyways. You're gonna probably want to get it focused, snap it, and then there you go. But this one seems to still be, oh, there we go, got an error. Camera, cannot start camera, restart camera device. All right, so there we go, we popped up with an error. Oh, camera crashed. All right, okay. So I'm not gonna edit none of that out. Like, that's the point of me reviewing the phone. It's not for me to sell or make everything seem like it's great. The camera crashed a couple times. Let's see here. Let me try it one more time. And it crashed again. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is go ahead and restart the phone. And let's see. Well, this is a good time to see boot times. So I hit restart, and we can see how fast it boots up. So it is unlocked, so you don't have to go through any carrier lock screens or splash screens or whatever. So let's see. Check out boot time. Okay. Like I said, camera did crash a couple times. Let's see if we're good after the restart. Okay. So back in, let me go ahead and try that once more. Okay. Try another one. Okay. Okay. So we got our photos. What is this? But oops. Oh, it must have been like, okay. So no, just looking at the camera, you know, it's decent pictures, you know. But like I said, once again, in the back of my mind, I keep thinking about the old phone, the phone that has a better camera. So it's not fair, but judging this for what it is, like, the camera's pretty good. Dual camera setup, for the price, you're good. So I'd be happy with that. But here's some things that you might even like can consider like really big or good things to actually like, what am I trying to say? Some things that you may say are better than like phones like the S10. Peep that. Wait, hold up. Bam. See that notification LED? Yep, you get notification LEDs when you have things like bezels. You know, they got areas to put them, so that's a good thing. So you got your notification LED. You got a nice fast fingerprint scanner. You got a nice slim down OS, very pixel-like. That's, for me, that's a plus. I love playing when it comes to my OS. I guess that's back, like, that's from me using the iPhone for so long and whatnot. Like, I don't mind just a plain Jane OS, something slim, something that can breeze through things pretty quickly. So as you can see, the Warriors are stomping out the Clippers again. I don't think they're coming back from this one, but you know, this is a really nice display. I ain't even gonna front. Like, I like the fact that it's so long that you can like see so much information here. As you can see, as I'm scrolling, it's not like a super smooth scroll as I keep going up and down, but you know, that's what you get when you pay for something. I mean, it's pretty cheap, but it means, like I said, it ain't terrible experience or anything, but these are the differences and the things that you notice from a flagship and a mid-tier type of phone. So, let's do a sound test real quick. Go up in here, YouTube. Like, going through the OS though is pretty smooth. All right, so it's only got the one bottom firing speaker, so that's a negative. So if you cover it up,
What up, y'all? It's your man, Wayne Train, back with another joint. And today I've got a battery case, a rechargeable battery case for the Galaxy S10. Let's get it. Now, I did one of these, the same product for my Galaxy S8 a while back, obviously. And I kind of liked it. Being that I think at the time, I don't know if Samsung had an OE option when it came to battery cases. I think they did come out with one later, if I'm not mistaken. As of right now, the last time I checked, I don't believe that there is a Samsung.
So yeah, the speaker's decent. I mean, like I said, it's a bottom firing speaker, so you know, take it for what it is. It ain't no super stereo speaker, but most of what you're gonna get in terms of audio enjoyment is gonna be out of the headphone jack. It's got a nice DAC, so no real way for me to really test that out without. Let's see. I'm not gonna do that with this one, but we'll go back probably with another. I can do a comparison or whatever and see how the audio sounds between this and the Samsung. But anyway, man, that's my unboxing here for the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Let me know what y'all think about this on the bottom, the comments. Like I said, there's a lot to like about stuff like this. Checking out, volume rocker. Like I said, that was one thing that was kind of annoying. It's a little small, but it's what it is. What it is. They put it in a good spot because the phone's so long, easy to access right here too. So, but yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all later. Hit me up in the comments below. Like, subscribe to the channel, to the videos. Let me know how y'all rocking with your boy. It's your man. I'm out. Keep doing it. I'm off the camera. There we go. It's your man. I'm out.